In this video, we will continue with the exercise, now putting it onto a drawing file and fully dimensioning it. So we're going to create a new drawing file. As usual, set up the thing by changing the sheet dimensions to be size A and getting rid of the large title block and inserting the small title block. Go to your base view. If it's not the default one, you can choose over here. And let's keep this to the similar style as shown on the text assignment, although this is a superior front view anyway. Could always adjust that if need be. Go to Annotate, add center marks, boom, 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 and center lines. And because these show the edges very clearly, why did that not work? You can just click line 1 and line 2 and it'll automatically thread the needle. Okay. And let's start dimensioning. Last time we learned about the baseline ones. So you click baseline, click on the baseline, continue. Then you think you're done, right? But you have to right click and hit create for it to save. You could now, remember, dimension holes to the circle. So you're going to choose this, diameter 2. And then I'm going to hit escape to double click inside of it. And I'm going to write TYP after to tell you, make sure you're in caps. TYP after to say that I have 3 holes that would have a diameter of 2. You want to specify that the length right here is diameter of 4. Okay. You want to say that this little radius right here is R1. Again, escape out to be able to edit the dimension to stay typical. All right, what else? I think that's it, minus locating the hole. So we have to locate the hole now. So I'm going to do a dimension from here to here. This is 3.5. I'll try the chain. Let's see if the chain one works for this. I'm going to go from... I'm curious if this one does a good job. Nope. See, the reason why that wasn't good... Oh, did I? Yeah. I want to show you why this doesn't look good. That's what happens when you try something live on a video. Right click, continue. This is almost good, but... Oh, there it goes. You know what? This is why I can't talk. Keep your mouth shut until the end, Dan. All right. The chain one worked well enough. Now you can just dimension from end to end to give you the overall. I think that's getting a little too close over here, so I'm going to move this whole thing down. Okay. Let's see what we're missing. We're missing this height right here. So I'm going to go from here to here is 4. Now that makes this a little bit ugly, so let's try and make that a little bit cleaner. You know what? Let's just delete this one, and we will do this up here. I think that'll look a lot cleaner. Try and hit the line, not the dot. So this is a common thing. You're going to try and do it. You're going to say, it's not working. It's because you're hitting where it's a green dot, and when you're doing a green dot, you're telling Inventor, go from point A to where? Well, you gotta wait for it to click on point B. However, if you just click it when it's a red line, it'll go straight to dimension, whatever that is. Include, and I just keep caps lock on whenever I'm doing engineering work. Okay, let's see if we could draw this part, okay? We can draw a 17 by... I should probably tell it the overall height too. Now it's going to ruin other things. Okay, so now this is actually okay, and you're kind of in the way. That's okay. I don't love it there. I think I could have done a better job of putting it somewhere a little bit cleaner. Right, well, it won't fit inside of it, right? Not exactly. And this is good enough. I don't love the location of it. I think I could have done a cleaner job, but it gets the point across. Anyway, now let's fact check ourselves. Rectangle 17 by 8. And when I say fact check, I'm like asking myself, could I regenerate this entire piece with the information I have? That's the way you can see if you are fully dimensioned. 17 by 8 rectangle with a fillet of dimension 1, extruded 2, good. 3 circles with an outside diameter of 4, inside diameter of 2 for the hole, good. Space 3.5 from one end, then 5, then 5 respectively. I don't need the last one because you can do 17 minus all of that, good. 4 up. I think I'm done. All right, cool. File, export, PDF, chapter 5, exercise 10, good. And then make sure you're saving your drawing file as well. And we are done for this week's lessons.